Hello and welcome to Berthon. My name's Robert and I have the pleasure of showing you around this Nordic Tug 37 named Pilgrim. She was built in 2008 and is now in her second ownership, and she is a semi-displacement long distance cruising motor yacht. I think you'll agree has a lot of style and class. See, she has a Rockner 25 anchor with 90 metres of galvanised chain. Like I said, she is long range cruising semi-displacement motor yacht, so she has a range of around 3,000 nautical miles at 4 knots and an impressive top speed of 17 knots. And this is powered by a single Cummins QSB 5.9 offering 380 horsepower. So that's driven on a single shaft. This boat does also come with a bracket to have an outboard as a backup engine. We'll just jump on board here. You can see we've got non-slip to the coach roof and side decks. With a 1200 watt windlass with controls there just to starboard as well as on the helm. See that nice big bollard there. And we have 3 forward-facing screens with pantographing wipers. This is an oyster gel coat, all in very good order as you would imagine. You just have the brow there, just stopping the sun streaming through. We have 2 opening doors, both port and starboard, so it's very easy to get around. So you're joining me in the main saloon, which is a solid teak interior fit out. Very, very high standard. So we've got a teak table there. Have a look up at the helm. We have Raymarine navigation equipment including chart plotter, radar, autopilot and a depth sounder with log. We've got bow and stern thruster on this boat. You can see we've got great visibility up here in the pilot house. Huge navigation station off the port and another 2 can sit facing forward, so that's 4 in total. And that helm seat is adjustable, so you can get the right fit for yourself. So having a look at the galley. Got Corian worktops. We've got a propane 3-burner hob. Fridge, microwave. And the owners fitted a new fridge freezer recently. So we've got opening windows, both port and starboard. We've got a fully covered aft cockpit. It's a really nice feature. Then we have direct access onto the bathing platform. The owners had these davits fitted. This will take the weight of the tender on board. There is a pull-out swim ladder. So we're going to have a quick look up top. So there was an option to fit another helm station on this boat, which a lot of people did in the States. However, in Europe, it's better to have lower profile so that we can make use of the canals and intercoastal waterways. So this mast can be lowered and is used to launch the dinghy easily from. So the dinghy will normally sit on chocks, which are just away for the winter. And here we have good access to the steering gear as well as storage. There's plenty of space. Again, this boat is for a cruising couple, and the owner has done over 7,000 nautical miles on this boat, so he knows it very, very well. You can see we've got these lovely teak and holly floors throughout. The finish is extremely good. And you can see up forward we have a queen size forward island double berth with a sprung mattress. Got plenty of eye level drawers. Got opening hatch. And we've got hanging lockers in that cupboard in that room as well. So lots and lots of storage. Midships cabin, guest cabin, we have a small double. Again, we've got drawers, and we've got a pull-out single berth and hanging locker. Solid teak doors. Stand-in shower. Then we've got a vacuum flush electric head and a stainless steel sink. So we've got a 220 volt AC panel as well as a 12 volt DC electrical panel. This boat is run on 4 AGM house batteries and then 2 batteries for the engine startup. Have a generator on board. As well as an inverter. So like I said, this boat is very equipped for your next adventure. The Cummins engine is actually in a sound containment case, so she is very, very quiet underway. Underneath there's access to the shaft. Again is a dripless system. Got the exhaust muffler there, which is why this boat is so quiet. And we've got hot water on board, as you would expect. So it's 545 litres of fresh water, 1,100 litres of fuel. Pilgrim is ready and waiting to take you on your next adventure.